Now this is a one-off Land Rover Defender. It's the hybrid, so it's the P400. If you want to order a Defender hybrid today, this is the model you get. P400, you get 30-mile plug-in electric, then it switches to petrol. You get 400 brake horsepower. This car's a HSE X Dynamic, which is huge spec, but then on top of that, it's had thousands and thousands of pounds worth of extras added to it. Full Explorer pack, so you've got things like Snorkel, side storage box, wide arch kit in gloss black. It looks particularly cool because it's finished in Pangea green with all the black pack, with the 22s, with the ladder, with the lights. It just looks superb, the car. Looks completely different to anything else at this price point and this model for sale on Auto Trader at the moment. We've just done our research and had a look. Everything's been done in gloss black, so your side intake, the arches, the big wide arches, the wheels. It's got the black exterior pack. HSE gives you huge spec anywhere, things like heated and cooled seats, sunroof. It's got air suspension. It's got adaptive cruise. It's just got massive, massive options. This car was nearly £100,000 when it was listed. So when this car was built and they put everything onto it, it would cost nearly 100k. We've priced it 74,990. Land Rover warranty and Land Rover maintenance till 25, and it's popular because of the hybrid. People want the hybrid. You've got the side steps, you've got the contrasting black roof, all done in black, privacy, side storage box in black, even the little spoiler spare wheel cover, so it just looks really, really well. Dynamic rear bumper, everything's done in gloss black as well. Huge boot space, charging cables are there, and you've got your air suspension button there if you want to drop the car down. With it being a hybrid, you don't lose any boot space. I think that's quite important. So there's a slightly different, it raises up a little bit, but the actual boot space is the same. Sometimes in a lot of hybrids, you lose the boot space. With it being a HSE, let me show you inside. So inside, you've got things like you can see there, you've got ambient lighting with a HSE. Condition is beautiful. You've got all the little charging points and things at the bottom there with it being the HSE. You've got your sunroof. And then into the front. It's all keyless entry. Press the button and the car opens. Meridian surround sound system. That isn't standard on a HSE. It's got the even better sound system. Heated wheel, adaptive cruise, leather heated steering wheel. Larger screen. So we've got the larger screen in the middle, which has got all your features on, your 360 camera, which is 3D. Your Bluetooth, your multimedia, your wireless Apple CarPlay. With it being a HSE, I'll just go into seats. You've got heated and you've got cooled as well. We want the heated back on. So you've got heated and cooled seats in the front. Moving down here, you've got your air suspension. I think that's a very important extra because the drive's superb with air suspension. Tilt and sliding sunroof. Storage in the centre. So the spec, and also I'll just show you this. See this leather here? All this extended leather, that's the difference on a HSE. So it's much more refined inside. But on top of that, you've got all your spec. But then outside it looks superb. The colouring around the steering wheel, can you see that as well? That's been paid for as an option, which just gives it that darkened finish. So the car's got a huge spec. P400 HSE X Dynamic, the hybrid, the engine everybody wants, but then it just looks unbelievable with all that black extras, the spoiler, the snorkel, the ladders, the side storage box, the wide arch kit. Very expensive, you know, to put that big kit on. Then you've got 22s, they're not aftermarket, they're all from factory. £3,000 them wheels were. It's going live on the website. Any more questions, give us a call.